Did you know AutoCount offers different ways to print your chart of accounts? Let's explore some useful tips that many users don't know about. You can watch this video to understand it step by step.
For chart of account printing, we have to go back to account maintenance here. Although I key in the debtor here, supplier here, all these supplier and debtor will group back to this account maintenance. Over here, you see the bottom here got this print chart of account function. You press this button, we got four different formats. I just explained the first and the last one. Debtor account, that one I think you understand. Debtor, we got customer 1, customer 2, customer 3. This one you can show yourself. And then I just explained the general ledger account first, and then inquiry preview, press OK. So this one, general ledger, this format won't show you the detail of customer name and supplier name. Only show the mother account. You see supplier name 400 and the customer name 300. But if I select the all above account inquiry, and now only the system will show you the whole listing, including the customer name and the supplier names. So usually we print out only the auditor request. If let's say our account number is too messy, you want to organize by alphabetical letter, then only you use this function to print out. After print out, you can modify, change account number.
Do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount? We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.